Hello everybody right there. This is your friend JP one more time in another cool video. Alright, and today I'm gonna talk to you about some cats. Okay, I'm with a cat right here and it's sleeping. And I have another cat for you. It's also sleeping right there. There's the cat. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you where I am and more. So you might wonder perhaps where is this place? Well, this is actually Miraflores, and probably most of you guys know. But in here you can find many cats. Like right now, one is eating right there, another one is sleeping right here. So I'm walking around and I'm, seeing cats more and more, and people come to this place because they like it. And yeah, you can hang out with them. They're super friendly. Okay, if you guys have free time, come and enjoy the day. I mean, you can walk around. This is actually a pretty good park. All right, there are many stores also around. Okay, I'm gonna show you more because I have found. All right, for real. Oh, look, there's another cat. Over there. Okay, there is a place right here that you can actually adopt a cat. Okay, so let me show you, and I'm gonna tell you more about it. I told you there are many cats. Like one cat, there's the other one right there, and there's one more right there. Oh my, there are, and one more right there. A lot of cat guys. Alright everybody, so I have arrived to this place I told you about. Okay, right here it says Mrs. Kennedy. Right, where actually you can adopt a cat, you can call. Right, they have like your cell phone number. I'm gonna put it also in the description so you guys, if are interested in adopting one cat, you can do it too. Right in here, people come and they actually, as you can see, let me show you. I'm gonna show you guys. All right, come and they have the cats. You talk to them. I mean, they're gonna tell you about what to do, what to give them, right? Like to feed them and more. Okay, they are usually in here in Kennedy Park in Miraflores on the weekend. That's what they have told me. Okay, so if you are interested, please come talk to them. And I'm also, as I said, gonna give you the numbers and also their social media accounts so you guys can get in contact with them. This is it. This is all, everybody. I hope you liked about this video. This was about cats here. You can come and hang out with them, you can talk to them, you can, I'm not pretty sure if you can feed them, because I know like here people come and they spend time with the cats, but be careful with that. Okay. Look, so here next to me I have more cats. There are more. They're actually sleeping at this time. Okay, and as I said previously, if you're interested in adopting one, please talk to them and you can share the video as well. This is it. This is all, everybody. See ya in another video with me. Bye bye.